Guys, good afternoon. I went to the studio to have my certificate laminate so that it will not damage and will not crumple. I want to buy a bag for this cellphone. About plastic bag. I need to buy something for what I need to cook tomorrow. I'm going to the Wison. There, the studio. You know, Almonawar studio on the other side. I went there to have my certificate. I'll show you later my certificate. It's hard to show you now because I'm carrying the umbrella, the bag. Later in the house, I'll show you. And tomorrow I'm gonna cook puchero. Or puchero. Breakfast. Ito yung request nito po. Puchero. I need to go to the Wison. I hope all the ingredients I need we have all complete there so that I don't need to go to the other shop. Because the other shop is far from here. That's all guys. I need to take a photo or a video later when I come home. I'll show you the certificate. But not now. It's hard because I'm holding the umbrella. Bye. Bye for now.